Toffee bars are just about the easiest and quickest dessert to put together you ever saw. Half a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, half a cup of dark brown sugar, 1 egg yolk, 1 cup all-purpose flour, and a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday there's going to be a new low sodium recipe. And sometimes there'll also be a little tip to help you keep that sodium low. Click on the little bell. You'll get a little ding every time I post a new video. All this goes in your bowl. Mix it with your hands until it's all mixed really nicely. It's going to be kind of thick. It will take 4 or 5 minutes of kneading to get it to all stick together. Then we get half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and a half a cup of coarsely ground nuts. You can use walnuts, pecans, hazelnuts, macadamia, whatever your favorite nut is. That's what you want to use. Mix that up with your fingers. And pat it into an ungreased pan. We're going to air fry this at 350 degrees. Cool it on a wire rack just a little bit, and then cut it into bars. My pan is an 8.5 inch diameter, and 1.5 inches tall. Use your sling to put it in the air fryer, because when it's hot, you just lift it right out of there. With my temperature set at 350 degrees, it took 23 minutes for our toffee bars to cook. Put them on a cooling rack. When they got a little bit towards the room temperature side, cut them into bars. The whole plate has 8 milligrams of sodium. My plate is 11.5 by 9 inches, and that's a whole lot of food for 8 milligrams of sodium. When the toffee bars are cooked, around the edges of your pan is going to be a little darker than golden brown. But we need to cook them until the centers are done. They're a little bit chewy, and they are right good.